Namaste everyone. I'm Vinay Gujjar from Gujjar Tutorials. Today we are discussing the problems on chapter electricity. So we will discuss the first problem. The potential difference between the terminals of an electric heater is a 60 volt voltage they give. So we will write the given in Barita given number is a 60 volt. Okay. Then voltage. If it draws a current of a 4 ampere from the source, what will be the current? What current will draw the heater if the potential difference is increased? After that, a potential difference is increased to 120 volt. In the question, the potential difference between the terminals of a electric heater is a 60 volt. When it draws a current of a 4 ampere from the source, what current will the heater draw if the potential difference is increased? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಗಿವನ್ ಏನೇನಿದೆ ಸರ್? ವಿ ಇದೆ, ಐ ಇದೆ. ವಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಐ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ವಿ ನೋ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಐ ವಿ ಐ ವಿ ಐ ವಿ ಐ ಎನ್ ಎ ವೈ ಎ ಕೆ ವಿನಾಯಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ವಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು I R. We know the formula viral equation V equal to I into R. Sir, V known value, R also, sorry, I also known value ಇದೆ. I need to find the R here. ಅಂದ್ರೆ I ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ರಿ. That is R equal to V divided by I. That is R equals V value ಏನಿದೆ ಸರ್? 60 volt. ವೋಲ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಬರೆಯೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಐ 4. ಸರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ 4 8 ಜಾ 4 4 8 ಜಾ 4 ಸರ್ 2 ಉಳಿತು 4 5 ಜಾ 20. then the resistance is a 15. we know the resistance SI unit must and should ಬರೀಲೇಬೇಕು ಸರ್. ಏನು ಓಮ್. then after finding resistance ಸರ್ ಮತ್ತೇನಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. current will if it draws a potential is increased, potential difference ಏನಾದರೂ increase ಆಗಿ 120 ವೋಲ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? potential difference ಏನಾದರೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದ್ರೆ potential difference ಅಂದ್ರೆ V ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸರ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಇವಾಗ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ವಾಟ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? potential difference ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. I ಬೇಕು, we need to find I, so we will send R here. And that I equal to V divided by R. So simple. ಸರ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅಸಹ್ಯ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಸರ್? ನಮಗೆ ವಿ ಸರ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಬರ್ಕೊಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದಾಗ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದಾಗ? 120 ವೋಲ್ಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದಾಗ. ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ 15 ಓಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾರ ಸರ್. ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಇಫ್ ಐ ನೋ ದ 15 table, 15 1 जा 15 8 जा. I equal to current 8 SI unit ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಏನಂತ? ಆಂಪರ್ ಅಂತ. Understood? This is about first question. And the next question is, in this question, the resistance of a metal wire of a length 1 meter. Sir, given ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಲೆಂತ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 1 meter. Understood? And then is a 26 ohm. Andre the resistance will be 26 ohm at a 20 degree Celsius. Means the temperature will be 20 degree Celsius. Given ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 1 marks ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. If the diameter of the wire is a 0. diameter D equal to 0.3 millimeter. What will be the resistivity of the wire? We need to find the resistivity, that is rho equal to question mark. I need to find this one. Clean up note. Length. What is the SI unit of length here? Meter is there. So SI unit of diameter what they give? Millimeter. 1 meter ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಿಲಿಮೀಟರ್ಗೆ 2 ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಒಂದ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ. ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಆರ್ ಮಿಲಿಮೀಟರ್. ಸರ್ ಒಂದ್ ಇದೆ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಟು ಮೀಟರ್. We know that milli means a 10 to the power minus 3. So diameter D equal to 0.3 milli means a 10 to the power minus 3 meter ಅಂತ. Understood? Sir, 0.3 ಇದೆ. If I send a point here to right side, again it will be minus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That is D equal to 3 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter. Sir, it is in the diameter. We'll write the formula now. Resistivity rho equal to resistance na ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು compare ಮಾಡೋಣ. R equal to rho into L divided by A. We know the formula. I need to find resistivity. So resistivity rho equal to R A divided by L. They didn't get the A, but I know that A means the area of cross section. Area of circle formula pi r square, but here they gave D. Sir, we know that D means it's always, radius means it's always half of the diameter. Sorry, radius equal to D divided by 2. So I need in radius, so R equal to 3 divided by 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter. Clean ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು. Understood? Now we'll substitute in the formula, that is rho equal to R. R means what they give resistance 26 sir. We'll write 26 into A. A ಅಂದ್ರೆ area of a circle formula pi R square. So we'll write pi R square. R value this one into 3 divided by 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 whole square. Understood? Divided by length 1 ಇದೆ. Next step length 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. Understood? Any doubt in this one? Okay sir. Then rho equal to 26 into pi value we know that 22 by 7. Understood? Into sir 3 square 9, 2 square 4. We need to go for exponents and power formula. A power m whole power n. We know the formula. A power m whole power n equal to a to the power m into n. Where the physics is there. Max matta ಬರ್ತೈತೆ. So we will write that formula. 4 2s are 8, that is 10 to the power minus 8. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. Understood? Then sir. So can I cancel here? 2 2s are 2 11s are 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 3s are. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು? Then multiply. 3 1s are 3, 13 1s are 13, 1 carry, 13 1s are 13 plus 1 14, 143. Then into 9 divided by 7 into 10 to the power minus 8. Any doubt in this one? Sir, we'll multiply now. Then sir, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36 plus 2 38, 9 1s are 9 plus 3 12 divided by 7. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು? If I cancel this one, 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7. How much remain? 5 will remain. It will become 58. 7 8s are 56. How much remain? 2 remain. It will become 27. 7 3s are 21. How much remain? 6 will remain. It will become 60. Then in 7 table 60 is there? Years. Understood? Into 10 to the power minus 8. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು? Then sir, we can write 183.8 into 10 to the power minus 8, or else 1.83. We are sending 2 point towards the left, means it will automatically becomes a plus 8 into 10 to the power minus 6. So what SI unit sir? SI unit ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು? Rho equal to SI unit. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನೋ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು. SI unit ಏನು ಬರೆಯೋದು? ಸೀದಾ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ R ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓಮ್, ಏರಿಯಾ SI unit ಮೀಟರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, then length SI unit meter cancel, then rho equal to 183, 1 point, or else you can write round up and write 1.84 ohm meter is to resistance when the temperature is at 20 degrees Celsius and ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ವಿಲ್ end up this session. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.